But what's up, boys? Don, it's Curtis Don Dino, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing. Y'all know this is the only thing y'all really watch on this channel. I want y'all to know I am more than an unboxing channel. But today we're going to be unboxing the Rick Owens Dark Shadows. They're like these fur, they're like a grayish brown. They're actually called gray abstract sneakers, but they look brown to me. So let's get right into it. I gotta grab the box. Give me a second. God damn. I know these boxes be heavy. Oh man. Is this a thumbnail? Sorry. And that's how YouTubers be though. At least with TikTok you don't gotta do that. That's why I think everybody's moving in that direction. You know? But okay, so you know how the Dark Shadow box looks is the one that's kind of more with the envelope closed. And boom. Oh shit. Okay, so this is how they come packaged. You know, some basic tissue paper. You got like a little card in an envelope that says Dark Shadow in a really cool font. And before we take out the shoe, I'm gonna just sit them right there. Before we take out the shoe, I just wanna check out the little card. Now, a lot of different websites got these. I got these from Farfetch just because at the time I had needed quick shipping, and Farfetch usually has super quick shipping. But the thing about purchasing stuff after the holidays, in January specifically, is that everything goes down crazily. So I'll be sure to let you guys know a couple other sites. So these are the sneakers. Whoa. These are crazy, right? Of course we went to do an on foot. I'm noticing right away that they don't have shoestrings, but I'm feeling like they might not need shoestrings, kind of like those black what were they called? Dark Shadow fogachines. They're like tall and they're like leather and they kind of come up like that. If you haven't seen my unboxing on those, go check that out. But these are really tough. So they got that kind of like signature Dark Shadow sole. Yo, look, it's kind of like, you see that? Can you see that? Okay, it's like some debris under there. But they have this signature Dark Shadow sole, which has like all the pivots and divots, and then it's like rubber. And then when you get like more to like the toe cap, that's like some genuine leather right there. It's real soft. And these ones feel a lot more firm. My fogachine ones, they kind of had like little creases, but nothing too heavy. So then I want to talk about the fur itself. It seems to have some type of coating on it. Am I crazy? Okay, we got an extended tongue, which looks super cool. This is gonna look so good on foot. And online they have like it's styled with some shorts. That was even crazy. You know what I'm saying? One thing I'm noticing right off the back is that it has eyelets, but it doesn't have shoestrings. You see the eyelets? They kind of like covered up in there. But they there, so you probably can lace them up. But I feel like you don't need laces for these as long as they feel that way. So we got some padding in the inside. Oh shit. More padding. And the bottom is the classic bottom with just a dark shadow along the heel. And whatever, I wish y'all could feel it through the stuff. Like, let me see if y'all can kind of hear it. It's like they put some type of like holding spray on it, I guess, so they don't get too fuzzy. But I would have probably preferred them to be fuzzier. Cause like on the pictures though, they kind of look just like this. Maybe they do that for that reason, so it could kind of have that like wet dog look. Is that funny? It's not supposed to be funny. All right, so inside, of course, we got the man, the myth, the legend himself. No, oh yeah, that's him. Right there. And then they do have a side zipper. Now this side zipper is so smart because the long boots don't even have a side zipper. And like putting them on and getting them off is like alright fellas, I'm sure y'all know, because the ladies know how it is to get a pair of hard boots off. But fellas, if you've ever had to help your girl, your mom, your sister with getting a pair of boots off, you know what I'm talking about. That's how it is getting those boots off. Like, you gotta fight. Like the first couple of times I took the boots off, like I would like pull them, and then hit myself in the face. But, so we got a zipper here. Nice metal zipper. I can see why they probably put the holding spray on there, so you probably wouldn't get, see, because look, it's fur all up in that zipper. what I will say is you're definitely going to want to make sure you're getting all the fur out. You know what I'm saying? Before you unzip them. And of course, we're going to do an on foot. I'll do that in a separate video just because I really want to talk about, you know, show me putting them on, stuff like that. Okay, so when you unzip them, it has a good amount of room. This is important for a couple of reasons. One, everybody doesn't have the same like ankles and calves and stuff like that, so you always want to be super cognizant of, will these shoes fit your ankle? It's like, for instance, people who are on like house arrest or like on a box, right? They gotta always probably tap into and check like, damn, can I put my box inside this shoe? No shade. But so these are size 41, made in Italy. This leather right here is like so crazy soft. Let's feel the inside, because Rick Owens don't do too well on like comfort, if you ask me. This is a pretty cool sole. The shoes are usually like elevated, kind of like on a slope, so you usually feel a lot of it on your heel anyway. What I do like about Rick Owens though is that they aren't that narrow, and if you have like a wide foot, I think that's a good thing to keep in mind. So Farfetch says these retail for $9.45. I'm online right now. I'm on Essence and I see them. They say they retail for $7.30, but they have some on sale for $5.55. They just don't have any sizes. Farfetch does have all sizes. I cop from Farfetch. Y'all know Farfetch got that quick shipping. So, yeah. So yeah, definitely. I do want to see what they look like with laces on though. I think that'd be really cool to see. But like looking at both shoes together, I can only imagine that like this is gonna add like, yeah, this for my short guys. It's gonna add a couple inches of height. This, I mean, I'm gonna look like I'm my true height. Cause sometimes I don't look like I'm 6 foot tall, but I actually am. Well, I'm 5'11", but why can't I round up? Why can't I round up? I deserve to round up, right? Notifications going off everywhere. Alright, so I was about to say, but if they can lace up, where are the strings? Okay, so we got some tan strings. They ain't time enough, and they say, here you go. Here you go. That's the only thing about like luxury brands. They know that they can say fuck you. And I'm not saying that the products aren't quality, but you know, we be wanting to feel special when we buy shit. Dust bag. I really love these dust bags. They really come in handy, especially if you get like the tall cargo boot ones, because the bags are like huge. Man, oh man. I got enough bags that I could start selling them. And the second shoe pretty much looks exactly the same, except for this one. Oh, this one. Oh, this is perfect. Look, you can kind of see the. I'm gonna put a flashlight on. So y'all can see exactly what I mean, because I need y'all to see this. Hold on, look. See that? That's like all like some type of like holding spray or stiffener. But like, yo, no lie, I cannot wait to put these on. I cannot wait to see what they look like on foot. On feet, I'm sorry. And I can't wait to like style these, put an outfit on with these. I just want to say really quickly, right? So I've been trying to like move to TikTok. So follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. But I've been trying to like move to TikTok or whatever, right? And long story short, in doing so, like I'll make, all right, so for instance, like, all right, after I'm done recording this video, I'll record a TikTok. But the thing about that is, you know, TikTok is a short form thing. Usually I'm like, y'all know how it is being a YouTuber. Like right now I got on black pants and I got on a, what is it called? The black, the Rick Owens with the thick sole. Long story short, like the Ramon looking ones, but the one with the thick sole with the Death Star on the side. Long story short, I had unboxed my orange Geo baskets. Check that out if you haven't seen it. And people were chewing me up for my outfits, but literally only one of the things I had on was an outfit. Like if you look at some of my other shorts on here, or if you look at my TikToks, you'll see like I had on all black. And then when I did the unboxing, like I just changed into some random stuff. I had did a video the same day just talking about stuff I found at my mother's house from 10 years ago, damn near. It was like maybe some of the shit was from high school. And I had tried it on, and I'm like, oh, well, this is probably look cool with the Rick, just real quick, because it was here in the store. Y'all know I'm at the store, Status Studio. Come, if you in Baltimore, you in the DMV, fuck, we be having people from Philly, Jersey coming down. So come down, check out the store, come grab some stuff, or come, if you come on a weekend, you know, come take a couple shots with me. I'll be here. I ain't hard to find. But, well, it was something else I really wanted to say before I ended this video out. And, it was about buying shoes full price. Unless you need something like immediately, or you're wearing it to an event and you need it by a certain amount of time, please scour the internet, wait a week or two, maybe look at like the social medias of different brands or websites that event stockists, because you can save a lot of money on designer sneakers, especially if you're willing to wait. Me, I'm often very impatient simply because I usually am last minute. So whenever I get the opportunity to, you know, cop something and I know I don't want it immediately, I don't need it immediately, I'm so grateful for that, because I usually save a lot of money. So please take that tip, because there's no way in the world I didn't even pay $9.45 for them. I don't know what Farfetch talking about. I think they might have went up or something. But there's no way in the world one website is selling them for $9.45 and another selling them for $5.55. And I'm sure if you look around, you might find another website that got them for $5.45, and then they might got a 10% off first time subscriber. Y'all know y'all can make a new email. Stop playing. My point is, save your money. Oh, this is how they look with strings. I like them better without the strings. I want y'all to let me know what y'all think, because I'm not going to lace mine up, because I ain't wasting my time. This is how they look with the strings. What do y'all think? Hold on, let me find a better picture. Cause I'm working too hard. I'm gonna just put it up on the screen. But just let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think I should lace mine up or what? Alright, y'all, this was a pretty longer video than I wanted it to be. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I tried to make it short, tried to make it sweet, tried to make it simple. I don't know, it don't really smell like anything. This smells like a hair product, like a chemical. Probably some type of gloss, spray paint or something. Whatever the case is, Boss Dons, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and show me a little love, because I need it. I really need it. Alright, alright, y'all. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.